Welcome to the SpaceLift installation videos, a complement to your installation manuals. The videos are broken into 8 sections. You are watching video 4, installing the motor housing in the ceiling.
You will need the hammer, shims, and a carpenter's level. Bunch the polyweb straps with supplied Velcro so they don't get caught during the installation. After completing assembly, lower the unit into the framed opening. Place the main unit on the mounting strips. The mounting strips keep the main unit in the correct position above the ceiling. This ensures the correct height for the tray and ceiling cover to be attached. Make sure the SpaceLift is level and firmly seated. If needed, place shims around the perimeter of the SpaceLift so that it's centered snugly within the joists and stringers. This prevents the lift from horizontal motion. The best placement for the shims is in the corners of the housing. Please take care not to deform the unit rails or the SpaceLift will not work properly.
Thank you for choosing the SpaceLift Attic Lift. If you have further questions, you may call SpaceLift at 203-446-4699 or email us through the website at www.spaceliftproducts.com.